Unplug him, switch him on. Okay. Well, it sounds like the battery's okay, doesn't it? It also sounds far too fast. Oh dear. Well, we'll try it on the floor. I'm guessing we probably have to spin it up. I could read the instructions, couldn't I? But I'm guessing we probably have to spin it up to get it going. To get the flywheel going. Alright. Right. It probably won't like the bright sunlight, will it? Because it's infrared control. We'll do it in the kitchen where the sun isn't shining. Right, let's try it this way round. Whoa, close. Alright, I just tried popping a wheelie and he fell over. It's run down a bit already. I'll put it back on charge for a bit longer. Wonder how it actually works. Because there's nothing connected to that steering that I can see. I'm guessing it tilts it somehow or other. There's probably a weight in there that moves from side to side. But the infrared is very directional. That lost control quite easily if I wasn't pointing directly at it. I'll stick it back on charge, we'll give it another go. Well, we're just about to go out, but it's charged up again, so we'll give it another little run. Yeah, okay, probably a bit of skill required to drive it. It works. Just.
We'll give it one last try before I pack it away again. Summary time. What do I think of it? To be fair, there's no guarantee that the battery, the LiPo battery in there, is any good. This is a 2010 kit and it's 2018 now, so it's at least 8 years old. So the LiPo battery in there is very unlikely to be in top condition, and if it's never ever been used, which it looks like, it was all the original tie wrap and everything there, then it's very unlikely that LiPo battery is in very good condition. So it worked. It didn't work very well. I think I'll just clean it up, get the dust back off the tyres, pack it back up again, and somebody else can have it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.